Hey everyone, you're trying to learn AI or build something real, and every time you start a project, it's the same old story. Half finished tutorials, weird setup problems, and nothing actually works when you try to put it online. What if all of that just disappeared? What if you had 40 plus real time projects, industry level projects, from scratch, from business understanding till model building, architecture diagram designing, and then deployment? Everything coming into one single subscription. That's exactly what we have recently launched. We put together a bunch of 40 plus industry level projects starting from business understanding till the deployment. And these are all industry level projects, not just the boring toy examples or boring simple videos or talking about general projects that thousand others are already using it. Welcome to this brand new project under Krish Naik. Well, who doesn't know Krish? Who is a very close friend of mine. Well, in this particular tool, along with me, along with Krish, there are several other trainers who have put down their efforts from the past 6 to 7 months. We have been trying to build this, and finally, the time is here where the product is ready. As of now, you will get 40 plus industry level deployed projects from various domains like machine learning, deep learning, agentic AI, generative AI, big data, and many more other topics. And all of them are available under one subscription. And that's not it. This is just a number that we have got started with. We have an aim of having 100 plus projects in the next few months. And the number keeps on growing, and everything is available at just one rate, at just one subscription, which is going to be an annual subscription. You pay once and you get access to everything. Not just that, projects are anyways available everywhere as well, right? But we are also going to provide you live classes on it. Whatever projects you will be seeing on the platform, we will be giving live lectures starting from 31st of January every Saturday and Sunday, 3 hours each, which is basically like projects bundle along with live mentoring, where you will be getting in touch with the mentors. You can ask any such questions. For example, one of the projects which is deployed on AWS and you want to deploy it on Azure or GCP, you can reach out to the trainer directly in the class, ask them, and the trainer will guide you what should be the next steps that you can do to make it a little bit different than what is existing in the platform. Without further ado, let's jump into the platform so that I can show you a short demo of it, and we'll try to pick one of the projects and we will try to go through what exactly the structure looks like so that you understand what is being delivered at the subscription. Let's get started. Hey, let's get into the product. Well, this exactly is the product that we were talking about. You might have seen some of my LinkedIn posts, you might have seen some of my shorts on this product. We have been working our ass off since the last 4 to 6 months. And not just me, not just Krish, we have many other instructors who have given their expertise, who have provided their time, and finally the product is live. Well, the product is live under Krish Naik's official belt. You can see krishnaik.in, and for those who don't know Krish, well, I don't have to introduce him. Most of my students, most of my subscriber base should already know him. So he's already like a pioneer in the field of data and AI with more than 1.4 million subscribers, and he's a very close friend of mine. So we are launching this product. Well, it is just launched literally 5 days back. Soft launch has been done with around 40 plus projects, and all of these projects are going to be end to end. I will go through these projects. I will just show you how the projects will be, but trust me, each and every project will be end to end, starting from the business understanding till the data understanding. Then we will talk about the architecture diagram of this project, what exactly are we aiming to have. Then we will jump into the model cleaning, the data cleaning and all those basic things. Then we will be jumping into the model building part, and then we will try to deploy it. So this will definitely give you the feeling of how an end-to-end project works in industries. So if you look at this platform, there are multiple categories where we have already launched multiple projects. We have projects on agentic AI, we have projects on computer vision, we have projects on data analytics, on data science, deep learning, generative AI, machine learning, NLP, and we are expanding this like anything. Trust me, over the next few months, our aim is to have 100 projects, and down the line in next 1 or 2 years you will definitely see more than 1,000 projects on this platform, and everything is available in just one price, one subscription. Just pay once and you will be able to access everything at one go. I mean, unlike other platforms who are charging per project, and then when you take the project you realize this is the same project that we have done in another YouTube video or in a GitHub repository, but all of our projects are unique, and everything is end-to-end. It will give you the flavor of an end-to-end project with deployment. Okay, so you just have to land to this platform. In case you have any questions, you can ping the team and talk to them, or else you can directly enroll. For people who are staying abroad outside India, the pricing is different. People staying in India, the pricing is different. So please reach out to the team and explore this platform. Now, after you are enrolled, this is exactly how the platform will look like. I will quickly show you that how in-depth these projects are. For example, we'll try to take one of these projects, let's say Azure multimodal compliance project, and you can see this is a 5 hours project. You go to the web, probably LangGraph courses itself are of 4 to 5 hours of content, and you can imagine how in-depth this project will be, right? You will see all the class resource files, including all the videos that we have used in this platform. So for this particular project, you can see how detailed is it, and that also includes final execution, that also includes mock interviews. So it's like an end-to-end product. You work on this project, then finally you prepare for the mock interviews, and then you are done. You can actually use this as your portfolio project and impress your employers. Let's try to get into one of these projects. Let's say I'm going to check one of these projects.
All right. Hello, hey, hi everyone.
So you can see that I'm just muting this so that there is no secondary audio. You can see the project starts with the foundational understanding of the project starts with architecture diagram, and then following up will be deep dive into the project understanding, project directory structure, project setup, core logic. So I mean, this is what we have created in the last 6 months, and trust me, it's one of the products that I'm very, very proud of. Even though it's not officially under my banner, it's under Krish Naik, but it's like a collaborative project that we have done, collaborative product. Out of these 40 plus projects, I have around 10 or 11 projects that are under my name. Most of my projects are around 2.5 hours or 3 hours more, because my way of explaining projects is a bit different than others. I try to explain in short and crisp. So some of my projects are, let's say we'll talk about Resume Genie, an AI powered career suite. This is like a 2 hours course, but inside this you will see multiple projects in it. Okay, getting started with Streamlit, Resume Genie, AI powered resume services. So just explore these projects. I think you will get to know the quality of it. That's pretty much it. I think you can check out this platform irrespective of getting into this platform after payment. You can also explore everything on this page. We have multiple categories, we have multiple skills you can select. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this product, and in case you did, let me know in the comment section as well. And if you genuinely want a specific project on specific topic, however, we don't encourage that in the platform. else we will be bombarded with a lot of messages. But this is very special to my audience. If you have a specific use case in mind, you want me to work on that and put it into this product, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will personally work on it and give a project within 15 days of the requested. When you request today, you will get it in 15 days. Well, I also forgot one very important point, that the product itself is not just projects. The most important part of it is live training as well. So sorry, I just forgot it and then I started re-recording. Well, one of the most crucial part of this product is, along with the projects, you will also be a part of a live batch. Every Saturday and Sunday, the trainers of individual courses, individual projects will be coming in a dedicated 3 hours window. They will be teaching you exactly how they have implemented the project. For example, day 1 could be about Google ADK, how to build AI agents and deploy to the cloud. The trainer who has actually done this project will be live, and you can actually ask back any questions that you have in your mind. Let's say in a particular project, if you have a questions around why did we choose this model, why did we choose that model instead of AWS, how can we go for GCP, you can ask some genuine questions or doubts, and everything will be clarified as part of this product. So it's not just a product where we take money and give you the videos and you learn it at your own pace. Along with that, we are also going live every Saturday and Sunday, 3 hours, and it's like a live boot camp with a bundle of projects. And the class timings and all will be shared with all the students, enrolled students, so no need to worry about that. And in case you have any questions at any point of time, you can reach out to these numbers and they will definitely help you out. See you. Now that you have already seen how the platform looks like, what is the quality of the tool that we have developed, we are coming up with a brand new features, brand new projects. And if you also have specific request on a particular topic, let me know in the comment section, and trust me, I will myself work on that project and put that into the project bundle as well. That's it. In case you have any other questions, let me know. Just write down pro and I'll send you the link to this platform, and enjoy your journey. I'm pretty much sure once you take this product, you will definitely be ahead of many other competitors, many other students that are basically fighting for the same role that you're applying for. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope this video was fruitful. In case it was, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and let me know what should be my next video and on which topic, and we'll be live there exactly same time next Sunday. See you. Bye bye.